thought I'd try a different format for some videos. I'll still put out project videos in addition to these, but I work from home, and like most people, I work full-time, and I have a toddler, so it makes it tough to find time to actually work on projects. And combine that with my shop being in the basement, I can't really do anything at night. So since I work from home, I try to take about 30 minutes a day, whether it's before work, at lunchtime, or right after work before everyone gets home, and work on something in my shop. So today, I'm gonna start off making some floating shelves for my mom. She's coming into town, and she's sad that I can never build her anything because she lives so far away. So she can take these back with her, and hopefully she'll be able to hang them up herself. So this is gonna be my project for these 30 minutes. And once the 30 minutes is up, I'm gonna stop and get back to my regular job. Here we go. I've got some 2x8 Southern Yellow Pine, and I'm just using pine because the shelves are gonna be painted. So once I plane it down, cut it to the right size, and do some sanding, they should look fine, and you'll never be able to tell that they're pine. First thing I need to do is set up a stop block. She wants 3 shelves at 24 inches and 2 shelves at 20 inches. And now we'll just cut those down to length. Now we're going to move the stop block to 20 inches. Before I run these through the planer, I'm going to cut off the edge and then cut them down to the length that she wants, or the width that she wants, which is 6 inches. I figure that extra 1.5 inches off will save my planer a little bit of work. We're going to set the fence to 6 inches and then rip down the other side. Alright, all the boards are the proper size or length and width. Oh, that one about like a 32nd of an inch off, but that's okay. No one will ever notice. So now we're going to send them through the planer for a couple passes. My 30 minutes for today is about up. I got the boards cut down to the right size. Bring them through the planer. That'll save me a little bit of sanding, and it gets some of the wear off of it. That's hard to sand off, and then the printing that's usually on framing lumber, dimensional lumber, whatever you want to call it. So that's it for today, and I'll see you in the next video.